Hi, this is Tori with the Oracle Technology Network. We're here at DevOps UK talking to members of the Java community, and I have Hadi Hariri with me. Hi, Hadi.
Hi, how are you doing?
Pretty good. So tell me about your role in the Java community.
So I'm a Technical Evangelist at JetBrains, and most of my work in the Java community is around two of our products. One of them is IntelliJ IDEA, which is our IDE.
Your IDE, yes.
And the other one is my involvement in Kotlin, which is our programming language. It's Apache 2 open source language for the JVM that targets the JVM and JavaScript. So that's kind of my area of focus in this community.
And you did a session today?
Yeah, I did a talk on IntelliJ tips and tricks, because we find that even though it's been around for 14 years, people don't know most of the hidden features. So it was kind of more like a productive talk about how to best use the IDE.
Okay, so give us one tip or trick.
Oh God, that's hard.
You can only do it hand memory, right?
Yeah, you can only do it hand memory. I think one of the best tips that I always give to people is that when they're using IDEs, I mean in general all IDEs and mine, ours as well, they should unplug the mouse. Like literally unplug the mouse and just learn the keyboard shortcuts.
Oh, how interesting.
And just, the first time you go to the menu because you don't know it, the second time you go to the menu, third time you remember the shortcut keyboard, and then you just get more efficient in the keyboard. So that would be like my number one tip. Just imagine your mouse doesn't exist. So yeah, that would be it.
Okay, and so what's the current version of IntelliJ?
Right now, the release version is 13, and then we're working on 14.
Okay, what's new and exciting coming in 14?
Oh well, performance improvements. There's some more support for clouds, more improvement for Java 8 as well, and a bunch of other things that we haven't disclosed yet.
Okay,
So,
and you can't promise, right? Exactly.
Yeah.
So how is it dealing with the Java community?
It's great because in fact I come from like so many communities. Before this I was involved a lot in the Microsoft .NET space. Before that it was the Delphi Borland days. I don't know if
I remember.
Go back that way. And before that it was the Clipper days. So I've kind of seen the different trends, and I'm really surprised. Nicely surprised by the JVM community. When you come kind of like from a different space, namely .NET, you kind of have this different perception. And having joined this community relatively recently, it's amazing what's going on.
A lot of energy,
a lot of
passion.
Enthusiasm, exactly.
Right,
yeah,
right.
It's kind of from the outside, and you kind of have this idea that it's very corporate, very enterprisey, and Java is always that, and it's not. There's so much going on.
Yeah, so we're busy. We're out to prove that that's not true. You and I both, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Absolutely.
Well, thank you for dropping by.
Thank you.
I appreciate you coming to talk to us. This is Tori with the Oracle Technology Network.